Serbia is an agriculture country. We should have full tech startups with drones, with development of how to seed what, when. We don't have this. An entrepreneur simply looks into the abyss and sees a lot of problems, but that's not holding him back. He just keeps walking. And we don't have that here. You cannot imagine the amount of people who are full of constantly excuses and justifications why they are not able to do something. It's always somebody else. It's always something that is not working and is working against them. This is the fundamental thing of entrepreneurship, to overcome these hurdles and these barriers. What do you think is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is not somebody that, as described before, has a nice Mercedes-Benz and rides around and has a nice salary. He is dealing with problems. He's overcoming hurdles. Serbia is still a very much trading-driven company and country. I mean, people think of trading a lot. It's the quick deal. It's the 6-month things. It's a bit the kafana. People don't think in problem resolving. When you look at the startups in Silicon Valley or in Switzerland, they all start with one simple question. What is the relevant problem you are going to resolve? Serbia is an agriculture country. We should have full tech startups with drones, with development of how to seed what, when. We don't have this. People understand entrepreneurship here by opening the kafana, by trading something. It's not adding the value that we need, because startup is first and most about learning, about pivoting, about listening, about changing, about adopting. It's a mentality that is not so typical for Serbs that know everything and kind of, are very resilient to kind of certain adjustments. This entire entrepreneurship is extremely good because it helps everyone to change their mindset and become more curious towards new things and more open to new things, and kind of embraces new technology, new ideas and approaches. So Serbia is not a problem of money. The problem is that we have people who don't know how to get it done.